Okay, so I'd like to show you how to find your assignments so that you can get started. So if you click on modules here, scroll down because we're in week 1. So you're going to scroll down here. Remember that this is the overview of what we're going to be learning in week 1. All of the reading, resources, and things that you might need are here. There's a lecture that's listed in this link. I'm sure you've posted your introduction by now. And then the very first discussion forum is right here. You just click on this one if you haven't already responded to it. And you're going to go through all of this material. And then it says write your response to the discussion question, which is listing the 3 valuable and useful tools or resources that you found in the Student Support Center, which is down here. So when you click on this, it's asking you, once you go through that Student Support Center, what 3 valuable and useful tools did you find? And then answer these questions that go along with it. Remember that you also need to reply to 2 of your peers, and that's due today, just in case you haven't done that yet. And then if we go back to week 1 module, here's where you're going to find your assignment. So you're going to click on this one. And we're going to create SMART goals. So after you've reviewed all of the material and to learn how to write a SMART goal, then you can start here by reading this section. How to prepare for writing a SMART goal. It says read the week 1 lecture. Read SMART goals. Definition and examples are under this link. This is how to increase the odds of reaching your goals. There's a grading rubric in here to show you how I grade for the goals. And then review a model assignment. You always want to click on that and look to see what a model assignment would look like. This is an example. And then here you'll see an example of how someone actually got started. So remember to put your name here and the date up there. And then the SMART goal. Here's an example of an academic SMART goal. By academic, we mean that's your studies or being in school. And it says, in order to complete my BA in Organizational Management within 2 years from now, I will successfully pass all courses in my major with at least a 3.0, which meets the SMART acronym, which is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. And you're going to go through that. And then down here, you're going to have to write another one, but this one is a professional goal, and that's for when you go off into your career field. All right, so that's taking a look at the model assignment. And then you can watch this little video here on SMART goals. Do the reflection, and then you're going to begin writing. It says that you're going to click right here to download your SMART goal template. And if you click back out to the modules, it's going to tell you here, how do I save a template to my computer? So you want to make sure that you're saving that template for the assignment and working on it, saving it before you upload it. Okay? So that's how you're going to find the work that's supposed to be completed for week 1. Remember that everything is due tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All the best.